Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and connection. Make sure the mouse has fresh batteries or a full charge and reseat them tightly. Once done, power cycle the mouse, turn it off, wait 5 seconds, and turn it back on to reset its radio. Next, open your computer's Bluetooth settings and confirm Bluetooth is enabled and the adapter is discoverable. This establishes the baseline link. These quick checks remove common causes before deeper troubleshooting. Now you remove the old pairing and re-establish a clean connection. First, forget or remove the mouse from your computer's Bluetooth devices list to clear cache settings. Then put the mouse into pairing mode and pair it again, watching the LED or status indicator so you know when it's discoverable. If movement is still erratic, open Device Manager to update or reinstall the Bluetooth adapter and mouse drivers. Corrupted drivers often cause input failures, so a fresh install can restore proper communication. Finish with advanced isolation steps. If your mouse uses a USB receiver, move it to a different port or use a short extension to reduce interference and avoid USB 3.0 ports near the receiver. Test the mouse on another device to determine whether the fault is the mouse itself. If problems persist, reset your Bluetooth adapter or temporarily use a wired mouse to ensure the OS accepts input. Troubleshooting tip. If reconnecting and drivers fail, try a full reboot and then repair. That often clears stubborn states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.